Hello students, how are you? Once again welcome to Social Science Classroom. Today I would like to teach politics lesson what is democracy, why democracy? What type of government exists in India? Democratic government. What type of government exists in Saudi Arabia? Monarchy. Dear children, have you heard of Abraham Lincoln? Who was Abraham Lincoln? Abraham Lincoln was the 16th President of United States. He had given an important definition related to democracy. According to him, democracy is a government of the people, by the people, for the people. Dear children, can you tell a simple definition related to democracy? Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. Let us analyze four important words in this definition. They are government, rulers, election, people. First of all, let us analyze the word rulers. In Pakistan, General Pervez Musharraf led a military coup in October 1999. He overthrew the democratically elected government and he declared himself the chief executive of the country. Later, he changed his designation to president and he held a referendum in Pakistan that granted him a 5 years extension. What is referendum? Referendum means voting, in which the people are asked to either accept or reject the proposal. But Pakistani media, human rights organization and political activists declared that the referendum was based on malpractices and fraud. That means the referendum was held on the basis of dirty tricks. Dear children, let me ask a few questions. Look at the screen. When did Pervez Musharraf come to power in Pakistan? What is the answer? Answer. In Pakistan, General Pervez Musharraf led a military coup in October 1999. What is military coup? A sudden seizure of power from the government by the army is known as military coup. When did Musharraf become President of Pakistan? What is the answer? Answer. In 2002, Musharraf held a referendum in the country that granted him an extension of 5 years as a president. What does referendum mean? What is the answer? Answer. Referendum is a direct vote in which people are asked to either accept or reject a particular proposal. This may be adoption of a new constitution, a law, or a specific governmental policy. Can you understand? Next, in August 2002, he issued a legal framework order that amended the Constitution of Pakistan. According to this order, the President can dismiss the national and provincial assemblies. The work of civilian cabinet is supervised by the National Security Council, which is dominated by the military officers. After passing this law, elections were held to the national and state assemblies. But Pakistan has had election. Elected representatives have some powers, but the final power vested with the military officers and the General Pervez Musharraf. Now we can say that Pakistan was not exercising democracy when Pervez Musharraf was ruling. This gives us the first feature of democracy. In a democracy, the final decision-making power must rest with those elected by the people. Dear children, today's topic is over. Today we learned about what is democracy and one of the features of democracy. URL related to this topic is attached. Watch the URL. Notes and test questions are also attached. We can meet in the next session. Bye.